Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Doubt can feel like a storm cloud, darkening your mood and draining your energy. This verse reminds us that God is a safe harbor. When doubt threatens to overwhelm you, run to Him for shelter. He offers a calm in the storm, a place of peace where you can rest and recharge. Pour out your worries to Him, and He'll give you the strength to weather any storm, even the doubts that try to bring you down. If we confess our sins, He is faithful and just and will forgive us our sins and purify us from all unrighteousness. Doubt can feel like an invisible crushing weight, dragging you down and making you feel like you've messed up. But this verse reminds us that God's love is like a trusted friend, always ready to offer a helping hand. Don't be afraid to confess your doubts to Him. He's an almighty, forgiving God, and no sin is big enough for Him not to want to have a relationship with you. He'll cleanse your heart and guide you back on the path of faith, step by step. And without faith, it is impossible to please Him. For whoever draws near to God must believe that He exists and that He rewards those who earnestly seek Him. Distrust can whisper that God isn't real or that He doesn't care. But this verse reminds us that faith is the bridge to Him. It's okay to have questions, but don't let doubt stop you from reaching out. Even a small flicker of faith is like a candle in the darkness, guiding you towards God. Talk to Him openly. Seek Him with a sincere heart, as He can see right through it. And He'll reveal Himself to you in ways that will astound you. Consider it all joy, my brethren, when you encounter various trials, knowing that the testing of your faith produces endurance. And let endurance have its perfect result, so that you may be perfect and complete, lacking in nothing. Different life situations can feel like a test, a big challenge to our faith, but this verse reminds us that these times can actually make us stronger. Think of a muscle. The more you work it out, the stronger it gets. Doubts are like that too. But when we wrestle with them, we come out the other side with faith still intact and become stronger in our beliefs. So the next time doubt shows up, remember, it might be exactly what you need to become perfect and complete in your faith. Just like this verse says. And immediately the father of the child cried out and said with tears, I believe, help my unbelief. Remember the story of the dad begging Jesus to heal his son? Even when faith wavers, this verse is a powerful reminder. It's okay to say, I believe, but help my doubts. We all have those moments. Maybe it's a job interview, a health problem, or some troubling situation. If you know God is all-powerful, why do you doubt that He understands? Be honest with Him like with a loving Father. He'll be there, one step at a time, strengthening your faith. Even a tiny seed of belief can grow strong with God's help. So, too, faith by itself, if it is not accompanied by action, is dead. Don't wait for the doubt to vanish completely. Take a step forward in your faith, even a small one. Volunteer your time, help someone in need, or simply spend some quiet time reflecting on your beliefs. As you take action based on your faith, doubt will weaken and your belief will become more sure-footed. Remember, even a small step in the right direction is a step towards a stronger faith and a peaceful heart. And this is the confidence that we have in Him, that if we ask anything according to His will, He hears us. Feeling like your prayers are bouncing off the ceiling, this verse reminds us that God is always listening. Even when doubt whispers He doesn't care, remember He hears your heart. Talk to Him about your doubts and worries. He might not answer exactly how you expect, but He'll guide you on the path He has for you. Trust that, even when doubt makes you question.